Hello, this is Jerry with Pro Solutions Plumbing and Router. We are doing a sewer lateral inspection at property 351 South F Street. We have the camera all the way to the city connection in the alley. This line runs towards the back of the house. We are going to start recording heading back to the house. So this line is a clay line. We do have some root intrusion, as you can see there. That is a joint that roots are growing through the fitting. And there's several spots where the roots are growing in, and I'll stop at every single one of them. So we got another one there. We got another one there also. Oh, this one is pretty much closing down as I'm pulling back the camera. This would need some maintenance. Definitely getting the line jetted. After the line is jetted, we could check the connections, make sure they're not broken or offset it where the roots have pushed the fitting apart. As of right now, we can't see what's behind the connection, so that'll be my recommendation. I don't know if you saw like a lot of scale buildup, like eggshells. Most likely the roots are working like a straightener, so they're holding back everything that's being flushed down. So that causes that makes a possibility the drain could back up. So we got another root intrusion here. We are gonna go to the transition of clay to plastic. As you can see, this line is just full of roots and grease. Okay, so I'm not seeing any more roots, so I think we're in the plastic, but the line does have a lot of grease buildup. I'm not gonna push it all the way back to the connection where it transitions, but so all this grease buildup is just built up over the years because of the roots caused the line to back up, and the top layer of the pipe gets all the grease and builds up. So definitely need to get this line cleaned out, and once it's cleaned, we could run the camera again and inspect the sewer. From 100 and 100 and let me go back. Hopefully it doesn't clog up my lens. Let's say 120, and from that point it starts with ABS as we're going towards the house. This line should get cleaned out with the jetter, and then on the root area, they'll have to use a different nozzle with the jetter to clean those roots. It's called the root rat. It's designed to cut those roots. I know that's a different charge. It's not just the basic jetter. So wherever you get the jetting estimate, we'll have to do for the jetting and using the root rat to cut those roots out. And underneath the house, it's a raised foundation house, so all underneath the house, the pipes underneath are all ABS also, so that's good. They are, as you can see, they are dirty, but with that jetting, that'll clean all that grease that's built up on the pipes. We are running our camera from a 2-inch clean out on the side of the house, and I'll show you guys right now from what clean out we're running it. Okay, so we have the hose faucet there, and then we have the clean out here, and we are on the side of the house. And that'll be it for our sewer lateral inspection. 351 South F Street, and this is Jerry with Pro Solutions.